Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware. Make sure the router or modem is powered and the RJ45 cable is intact. Once done, plug the cable into the PC Ethernet port and the router. Check for link LEDs to confirm a physical connection. Next, open Settings, choose Network and Internet, then Ethernet to see connection status. Make sure to note whether Windows shows Connected or Unidentified Network, because that determines the next configuration path. Now configure the adapter. Open Control Panel or press Windows plus R then NCPA. CPL to reach network connections. Right-click the Ethernet adapter, choose Properties, then Internet Protocol version for TCP/IP4. You can leave it on Obtain an IP address automatically, DHCP for most networks, or enter a static IP, subnet, gateway, and DNS if required. Make sure to update or reinstall the NIC driver in Device Manager. Finish by verifying connectivity. Open Command Prompt and ping 8 to confirm IP reachability, then ping a domain like Google. COM to test DNS resolution. Once done, open a browser and load a site. If you see problems, run ipconfig/release and ipconfig/renew and ipconfig/flushtons to reset IP and DNS caches. Make sure to test another cable or router port if the link lights are dim. Swapping the cable is the single most effective troubleshooting tip in most LAN failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.